Hello, I'm Ashley Helm from Clevertouch, and I'm our Head of Success, and effectively I guide a team that manages all of our demo in our training team. We're here at ISE 2024 releasing our brand new product, which is our Clevertouch UX Pro Edge. What makes this different to a number of our other screens that we've got in place is that it's a full FlatFrog glass capability. We've got a 4K Sony camera embedded and a number of different inputs to go with the hardware. So we've got USB-C at the front, USB-C at the side. We've also got USB-C out and HDMI out as well. Along with that, we've got two 20-watt speakers, two 10-watt subwoofers, NFC functionality, as well as having full motion sensor detection at that point as well. To give you a quick example of some experiences of our screen here, one of the key things for us as a business is that we've had 100 years of experience of technology, starting back in 1924 with typewriters, moving all the way through to what we see as interactive touchscreens today. 2009, we were the first manufacturer to launch interactive touchscreens into the market. And then last year, we were the first manufacturer globally to be granted the Google EDLA license. What does that mean? Well, it gives us full access to the Google suite of apps, including the capability, whether you're a Google environment or if you're a Microsoft environment, you've got access to all of those apps embedded in the screen. A number of pieces that make us unique in the market would be the longevity that we've had within the business, as well as our hardware. So our screens come with the RK3588 chipset, which is running Android 13, and it's one of the fastest chipsets in the market space currently, and I'll show you an example of just how quick that is now. So we'll have a look at a YouTube video. So again, from an audio point of view, we talked about the fact that we've got a 60-watt capability within our screen. So let me just switch this up slightly. Hopefully that comes across on the video, but you get an idea as to how good the audio is. Let's just bring that back down. We want to talk about how quick our screen is, because, as I said, our screens are one of the quickest in the market. So at this point, let me just show you a couple of other capabilities as well. So we've got our 4K video running here. Let me just bring our video over here. So we've got a 4K video. We're then running 3K rendering or 3D rendering at this point, and you can see there's very little lag, in fact hardly any lag at all within our screen. So that's based on the fact that we've got the RK3588 chipset running at that point. Picture-in-picture allows us to bring in a number of other inputs at this point. So from here we've got the capability of bringing in a variety of other inputs. So as you can see here, we've got full access to our PC and full touch capability built in at that point as well. From a speed point of view, it's one of the fastest, if not the fastest screen in the market space. As I said, a couple of other things that make us unique. We've got Clever Launcher. Clever Launcher gives you the ability to skin your screens and have a very, very distinct user interface. So if you've got older Clevertouches series, you've got the ability of making them all now look exactly the same with a completely restricted user interface so that you can control what people have access to and what they don't have access to. At this point, we want to talk about single sign-in. So when it comes to our single sign-in capability, we're now using our Links File Manager. With Links File Manager, this is a capability and a piece of software that's included with all of our solutions and all of our screens. It gives us a variety of options with which to sign in. So including Google, Microsoft. For security-wise, you can sign in with a QR code. You've also got full access via our SAML integration, so the Active Directory piece as well. As advised, you can sign in via a QR code using your mobile phone, and it will sign me directly into our Links File Manager. With Links File Manager, this gives you direct access to your Google Drive and your OneDrive, effectively giving you a single sign-on process. For those of you that want to use NFC, we've got NFC capability, but from a security point of view, signing in via a QR code and a mobile device gives you the capability of walking away from the room and signing out from anywhere at that point, knowing that you're safe and secure in that environment. As you can see, now that we're signed into our Links Manager, this gives me access to my Google Drive and my OneDrive. You'll be able to open all of these files, whether it be Google Sheets, Google Docs, natively within our Links whiteboarding solution. Similarly, if you're Microsoft, you've got full access to open up your Microsoft files, whether they be Word documents, whether they be PowerPoint, etc. In Q2, we'll have the process of being able to open up our files natively within each of the apps that you've got, whether that be Google Sheets, Google Docs, or even if it's in Microsoft PowerPoint, Word and Excel. Giving you access to all of the different aspects of our screen, from the Clever Live elements through to Clever Launcher and our Links File Manager, all of it is subscription free. So you buy the hardware and there's no ongoing cost at that point. Should you have any questions or you want to drop me an email, please do, ashley.helm@clevertouch.com. Thank you.